Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on fusion markets. And I will show you today an example for Bitcoin. So I have standing right here Bitcoin to US dollar right here on the chart, and we want to create a order with a stop loss. So first thing that you need to do is go right here to new order and then select right here the order type. Then after that we go to volume and select right here the volume that we want to step in with. So let's say we want to step in with 1 Bitcoin. Then now it comes. The part that you were looking for is stop loss. So if you click now here on plus, you can throw the stop loss right here on the chart to a nice price range where you want to stop your losses. That will mean that if he will hit that amount, he will close your position and he will stop your losses. But you can also fill right in here on this place something like 60 grand, and then you have a stop loss standing on 60 grand. So right now, if you click on buy by market, we just created ourselves a position right here in the bottom, and the SL means stop loss is at 60k. So when he will hit 60k, he will stop our losses. So this is how you can stop loss on fusion markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.